Hello and welcome back to my channel. We absolutely hit the jackpot at Target this weekend, found all the mini brands and things we were missing. So we have a lot to film for our channel, but today we're starting off with the little kitchen set. It says it really steams, magically cooks, the water really flows. That'll be interesting. And then the dishwasher magically cleans. This is super cute. Let's take it out of the box because it's so big it doesn't fit on screen. Inside I found a measuring cup and then this pretty thick instruction book. And then it shows you all the smaller appliances. I've already reviewed those, but these plastic things, you gotta fold them up, turn them, and then they pop out. So it's not too difficult to take this out. It's just a ton of packaging you gotta go through, but I'll fast forward that part so you don't gotta watch me do this. So they all separate and you just pull them apart. There's little magnetic pieces there, and it does look like they all have either batteries or water that goes in them, and they do function, which is really cool. So once you have it connected, you could pick it up and then you just pull it apart like that. So we'll go through each piece and then we'll make it work. But she also brought over the fridge just for like comparison. I feel like the scale is different. Like this seems, I feel like it's a good height maybe, but everything else is like wider, if that makes sense. And the blues don't match. That's not too big of a deal, but the fridge is definitely darker.
Open this. I know
yes,
it's inside.
There's stuff in there. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, can I open it?
In just a minute. Yeah, first we're gonna start with the dishwasher. This opens. There's a cute rack in there.
Oh, so
and then this part, when you fill it in with water, you should be able to press it, and then I think there's supposed to be water that comes in there or like steams or something. We'll see here soon. And then
try it using the faucet to see
I
if
know
there's water.
that pops it open, and then you have a thing in there. Next we'll look at the sink.
I want to do the faucet.
This is cute. It has a piece of cloth so you can put stuff under there, behind it. Does it move? Yeah, it does.
That water's...
Okay, so this one doesn't. It doesn't feel like, but this one does. There is a spout where it's gonna come out, and also a drain. There's a hole there.
Okay,
Oh.
let's open up this one.
I didn't know if that was gonna pop open like that, but it did. I guess that's to empty it. Interesting. And then we have the oven. It's pretty tall, as you can see. So there's something you press here. Maybe the fan actually runs. This one has something that, oh, I think that is going to have steam or something. I briefly looked at the instructions, but not too closely.
Okay, let's open this one.
1 second. And then these buttons, it doesn't feel like this one moves, but these other two do. But they did a good job on like the details, I think. I think it's pretty cool. And then she's excited about this because there's parts. You got to bring it over here. They can't see it.
You are not allowed to open any. I just want to.
So this is just the cabinet. I think this is the one that's going to have the batteries. Yeah, and then there's an on and off button there. And then you could put your other appliances up there if you collected any of the other miniature ones. So I think there's supposed to be a build with this and some other stuff. Do you want to grab those out? I think we get to actually make like a turkey or something.
It was a chicken.
Is it? I put water in here and just spilt it everywhere.
Ugh.
Also in the box that was loosely in there, we have the tea kettle, a cup that has like milk splattered or some kind of splatter mark, and then 2 dirty dishes.
From the turkey.
Yes. Okay. I spilt water everywhere.
Box number 1.
Ooh, there's our turkey.
Uncooked.
Looking a little sad and
He's
uncooked. It's pretty heavy. There's definitely some weight to it. And then we have a nice thin tray. Okay, go ahead.
The baby.
Oh, what in the world is that? Oh, this atomizer, is that what you call it? It's for, it does stuff. It's for something. Please hold. We'll get to that in a minute. Okay, go ahead. What's in there?
Sorry, I just realized
Food pieces.
Oh.
I also need to stop and verify that everything that was supposed to come with it came with it, because I did notice when I was opening it that it was like re-taped on the side. I know. So we have some carrots, potatoes, mint leaves, and then is that tongs? Yeah, tongs. So let's make sure we have everything, and then we'll go through the appliances again. The instructions start with the oven first. So it's to turn it around, press this down, that pops out. You're gonna flip it over and turn this, it only goes one way, so you gotta turn it that way. And then we're going to remove the cap.
And pour water in.
And pour water.
Water.
Something I read said 15, so I filled up to 15, which is halfway.
And a medicine cup.
Yeah, it's a measuring cup. It does look like a medicine cup. It's thicker
It
though.
does.
Then you put this on, lock it in place,
And push it back in.
flip it back over so it goes back in. Ta-da!
Now it's
It says complete.
Flip this.
It shows you how to like set them up, and then it goes through showing you how to use them.
Okay, flip this.
And that part is out of order. Let me see here. Okay, so here's what the instructions look like. So you could put the kettle on there, and then I guess it steams.
I think you really just
Interesting.
need to flip the switch.
60-second auto stop. Reset switch to start. So this button, okay, let's put the kettle on there. Goes on this one, and then let's see if it does anything. Hold on. Yeah, what does that do? Okay, so I learned something. This isn't gonna function until you assemble the whole thing. There is batteries in one of the pieces, and once they're connected, I guess it powers the whole thing. That's what I'm gathering.
It's this one.
That one, yeah. So we'll push this back. It tells us to do this one next, actually. So it says to flip this over, open this, and to add 40 milliliters. So this one takes a lot more water, which makes sense because
This is
it's a
a
sink.
sink.
So
The
let me get
sink's
another
pretty
cupful.
Just
So we'll put that in. That's exactly 40. I did 25 and then 15. So we'll put the cap back on that one. And then next in the instructions, it says the dishwasher. And then again, flip it over, press that up, that pops it open. And then it says add ice and water. So you're gonna do 30 milliliters of water and some ice. I don't know if I have small enough ice. I'm definitely gonna have to crush it or scoop it out of my Chick-fil-A cup. Just kidding, I won't do that. It'll get sticky and gross in there because I have a soda. Okay, so now I have some crushed ice. It doesn't say how much. We're just gonna
put that in.
Yeah. As I'm doing this, I'm like, how cool, but also, are people really gonna let their kids play with this? Because that would ruin their furniture in their room and stuff with all the water. Because you know kids aren't gonna drain this stuff when they're done. She's giving me side eye. It's true though.
You glared at me.
I didn't glare at
I'm
you, girl.
responsible.
Yeah.
Hey.
Most of the time.
You trust me to feed your pets.
This is true. What are we doing with these? They never told us, I don't think.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna get a screwdriver, put batteries in this, and then we should be able to connect them. It says connect randomly. I don't think you could connect them randomly.
Yeah, I don't
There's a little bit of swapping around you could do, but definitely not randomly, I don't think. Okay, batteries are in. So it says to do it randomly, but it also shows this way. Those being connected, and then this. And then,
And this?
yeah. So let's see. I don't remember if I turned on the thing. Doesn't feel like they're, oh, there they go. Make it snap, there we go. Now, what should we try first? I feel like,
Yes. Flip the switch.
oh, there we go.
It's cooking.
So we have an oven cooking
Oh,
with
smoke.
UV light.
You see the smoke?
Yes. Oh my gosh. So does one turn it off? Okay, that turns it off.
You probably need the smoke to.
This turns it on.
They probably need the water to produce the smoke.
The steam.
Yeah, which
Yeah.
kind of like a humidifier.
Yes.
Okay.
It's doing it really lightly.
Okay,
I don't even know if you can see it on camera. Let me try to change angle. It's very faint, but you can see it. I also think it's super loud, but I guess I wasn't really expecting it to be quiet. But can we turn them both off? It says it has a 60-second auto shut off, but
let's wait 60 seconds.
I mean, I guess.
And then we can
While we do that, we could be prepping our chicken maybe. Okay, so hopefully you still hear me over the super loud kettle. But it shows that you can put the dishes in here, and then we'll do that. This goes upright. They have it upright. I don't know if that matters, but we'll see.
I can't see.
So they show it like this. And of course you can see all the food on it. So let's close it and pump this. Oh my gosh, you can see water hitting it. So kind of funny, that noise, it was actually the exhaust fan. I thought the whole time it was supposed to be the kettle, so that's why it was so annoying, and it wasn't going off after 60 seconds. Anywho, we have our dishes in here, and if you watch like the front of it, you can see water sometimes hitting it.
Magic.
You're supposed to do it 10 to 15 times. Is this a better angle maybe? It's so dark in there, I feel like you can't really see it, but it's definitely been 10 or 15 times. So if you take it out, just like a true dishwasher, there's water in the cup. Yeah, it clean. Well, you can still see where it's supposed to be.
Oh, there's.
Oh my gosh.
A Dixer.
I mean, it kind of went away, but you could still see it.
Let's go and put it in.
That's
again.
cute. I think it's cute.
Okay, we'll wash our dishes and get on to the next segment.
On to the next.
While the dishes are being washed.
She's gonna prep our chicken. You could put some veggies in there, just anywhere.
Kitchen&Bricks.
And then this is supposed to have real water. Oh my god, how cute.
I love it. That is beautiful.
Does it actually drain too?
Yeah, I don't think so.
No, it's going down.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool. I wonder if it just like recycles it, so then you could just keep using it. It also shows that you can put this under there and then fill your kettle. Handle's kind of in the way, but wrong way, maybe. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's cute. I filled it up way too high. Let's put it over here.
Oh no.
Let us know when you're done with your chicken. I'm gonna turn this on again. Turn it over, turn it on. Does it only work if the exhaust is on? The annoying loud, yeah, I guess it only works if that's on.
Okay.
And then it immediately takes the steam and sucks it up. That's kind of cool.
I'm ready. I'm almost done with my chicken. I have one more piece.
I just think it's loud.
My chicken's done.
So we're gonna turn that off. We're gonna open the oven.
Why does the chicken have a mouth?
It doesn't have a mouth.
I found a mouth.
It does kind of look like it.
Wait,
There's
no,
definitely a
it's
hole there. That's creepy. Oh god, oh no.
Wait, if you think about it. Oh, never mind. Yeah, no, don't.
Don't think about it.
Or we'll get.
All right, let's see how long we're supposed to have that in there. So there's an auto shut off. It does go off after 60 seconds. And you can see it looks toasted and cooked. Now, did it do anything to the veggies? No.
You should probably put it in for longer. It doesn't look too cooked as the picture.
I'm gonna try to just, I don't think the veggies turn. I'm just gonna leave the tray out and see what happens. So you just turn it off, turn it back on to restart it. I also saw, and I didn't want to break it, it felt pretty stiff, but in the instructions, oh yeah, it said it looks pretty stiff. It moves very easily, the handle, so you can fill the water better. That's pretty cool.
You might want to dump the water at least 2 minutes.
And then when you're done playing, you can empty the water tank. And then those filters, those are extras, so you actually don't need that right now, it doesn't look like. So yeah. Okay, I don't think that did much. I think because it helps when the tray's in there, it gets it up higher. So let's put on the top rack, or as far up as it goes. I don't think the chicken then fits up there. No.
How about we do the veggies then the chicken?
We could.
Oh.
Definitely could. I don't know, now that I know what's going on, I get it now.
It's more easy.
What do you think of it as a kid? Is your opinion of this? Do you like the size of it? Do you think it's easy to use? Is there anything you like or dislike about it?
It's cool, but it looks a little too big.
It is kind of big.
But it looks like American Girl doll sized.
Yeah, some of the American Girl stuff is this size. I don't know. Go grab a Barbie or like one of your...
It's cool. I'm gonna give my Bubbles LOL doll.
Okay, she likes the LOL like teenager dolls. That's what she likes. Tweens. Sorry, they're tweens. This has been about 60 seconds. Let's look. Yeah, I thought maybe it would roast the potatoes, but I don't... If there is color on it, it's so subtle that it's like hard to tell if it's doing anything, but yeah. So it's just like the other appliance ones where it gives it like that purplish brown like cooked color, and it seems to just be doing it on one spot. See, is that like, well, it's kind of
She's
like the right height.
Person, yeah.
She's the what?
She's an octopus person, you know, Octi.
Oh, from the show. I was like, what are you talking about? Yeah.
No.
So she's a little bit shorter than a Barbie, right?
I think.
Yeah, she's cute though. I mean, maybe she's a little short for it, but for your play, it's fine.
My gamer tween's like the tallest.
Oh, yeah. Okay, maybe that's a better view to see it all at once. She did make a good point that she doesn't like that there's not a magnet on the fridge so that could snap in.
Yeah, they should have had an add-on magnet to snap to the fridge so it could all go together.
Yeah. There you go. So you can see what the fridge looks like. So like I said, it's like almost the same height as the oven. So like pretty accurate to that, but it's definitely not as wide as any of the other pieces. Yeah, so I don't know. And I know I'm not like, I know there's different scales. Well, it's this size scale, this size scale. That really doesn't mean anything to me. So you'll have to let me know in your professional opinion, is the scaling off? Because I'm gonna go ahead and say yeah, but not by much. But yeah, otherwise, I think it's cool. If I would have got this as a kid, I think I would have been pretty happy with it.
I love it.
She loves it.
Except for the fridge thing. I told you
yeah, that she wanted to connect it. But I love that there's like flowing water and then it just all kind of keeps recycling. So I think that's how all of them are.
Yeah, and it's a good doll size.
Yeah. So it just goes through the bottom and then allows you to keep reusing it. At least that's how it appears. I haven't had to do anything yet in between takes, and this is a LOL tween next to it so you can see. Do you have a Barbie we can show them?
I'll go and get one.
She recently kind of got rid of most of her dolls except for this and what's it called? Monster High, that's what it is. Yeah, that's definitely more than, how much did I put in there? Like 40 liters, so it's definitely recycling. This is a Barbie next to it, so yeah. Barbie's head doesn't even fit in the screen. So too big for Barbie, but still doable. Also, side note, this is my Barbie from my childhood.
Yeah,
isn't it pretty?
Yeah, she's pretty.
Yeah, but she means I played with it. What do you mean by that? That you ruined its hair?
Almost.
But this doll's in good shape. You haven't messed with the hair. She went through I want to brush everything and be crazy with their hair, and I never did that to my dolls. So anyways, we're just yapping at this point.
Their hair gets tangled.
Leave us a comment. Let us know if you're going to purchase this, and I'll link it below on Amazon or wherever else it's available. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.